Nothing is promised, so don't be so promising. Only God's spoken word lives on. Anything else is like the seed of a flower. It's doomed after blossoming. The last petal tries to hold on, but it doesn't last long without the nourishing to keep it strong. Anything gained in this world shall perish. Hold tight to your soul. It's more valuable than living lavish. Seeing tomorrow is not promised. Live for today and be honored for the ability to pray, because nothing is promised, not even the completion of the day.